Hi, I'm Matt, one of the registered veterinary technicians here at the Humane Society of London, Middlesex. This is Hot Chocolate. She is 6 months old. She's a Bengal cat. Generally at the Humane Society we see domestic short hair, medium hair, and long hair cats, so this makes Hot Chocolate special. She is very active being a Bengal. She likes to roam and play. They like to climb a lot as well, so whoever in the new home would need to make sure they have a large cat tree, so she likes to climb, and you want to climb a cat tree and not your shelves. Generally Bengals are very vocal. She's being quiet right now, but she's been very loud this morning. In the foster home, she really enjoyed swimming in the bathtub, so you need to watch out for that with bathtubs and sinks. When she was brought into the Humane Society, we heard what we believed to be a heart murmur. We had it checked out by one of the vet clinics that we work with in town. We then did a chest x-ray to see how her chest looked, and the doctor was concerned, so we actually sent it to a specialist for them to interpret. They interpreted it as that she had mild heart disease at the time. So after that, we started her on medicine. She's on medicine twice a day. She's doing quite well on the medicine. So whoever the new owner is, they would need to continue with the medicine after adoption and go see their veterinarian regularly in the future. If you're interested in Hot Chocolate or any other animals, please come to the Humane Society and talk to any of our staff.